everyone. We got an unseasonably warm day for November. I believe it's 50 out, feels like 90. We're gonna just finish putting in our locks here. We're gonna knock this back so it fits nice and tight. Nice, this gathers water. That's a nice feature. Same for this guy here. We're also gonna position the battery on the tray here. And then we're gonna put some dividers and some holders in, and then maybe put the latch in as well. So that's the goal for today. Little stuff back here, but I realized last night when I wanted to do this, I had no daylight and it was super dark. So I'm gonna try to get this done first, and then go inside and work some more on the interior. Okay, so quick review. These were going in today. We've got these things nice and fitting tight now, so shouldn't let too much moisture in. We've got, on this side, the aluminum isn't all corroded out like it was on the other side, so we didn't pull it out. This side I fit with a wrench, and this side I fit with a hammer to fit our new latches. The old ones had to be cut out because there's no keys and the screws are all rusted off. So quarter turn that way, and then quarter turn the same way, and then you're locked on both. This really is just to access your batteries. Shouldn't have to do it much, so I'll leave these on the keychain. Same back here. This side I had to do a little bit more engineering on because we built our own battery tray in this one for the auxiliary batteries. We also welded in these little 90-degree things here. And then while you guys are watching, on the battery tray we just built this little latch in here so it doesn't slide around when you're driving. And if you do need to pull them out, you just flip it out, screen door style, and slide it out. So pretty simple. Keep it simple, stupid. That's what they say. And we should be good to go. A couple more things inside and we can put the batteries in and hook them up and let them charge off the solar panels. So all in all, exciting stuff today.